Landlords in Niagara Falls have new responsibilities, making sure tenants are following COVID-19 precautions laid out in this letter the city sent last week.
What I don't want is I don't want landlords to be surprised by the fact that they may end up being held accountable for an event that happened at their location.
Niagara Falls Mayor Robert Rustino says the city is carrying out the state's COVID-19 executive orders.
The executive order is holding us all responsible in local government to make sure that these things aren't going on. We are asking property owners to help us, that to the extent that they see these things in their locations, they need to report them and do something about it.
He says landlords should not break up gatherings themselves and instead report any violations to the NYPAWS hotline. One landlord says the request is, quote, virtually impossible.
We're not there in the evenings on a Saturday night to know exactly how many people they have visiting.
She says she already sent letters to tenants outlining COVID-19 precautions and checks on the two-family property often. Now she says she'll send a letter again, but doesn't know what could be done past that without living on the property.
We were quite shocked that the city thought that it was appropriate to be fining us for activities that we may not know anything about.
Another landlord tells 7 Eyewitness News he wasn't surprised to receive the letter and believes the city is just reiterating what's expected of property owners, but says the only way he could realistically learn of health violations is if a resident reports it. The letter says that fines for violating New York state health law can range from $2,000 to $10,000. In Niagara Falls, Gilad Malamed, 7 Eyewitness News.